I want to show you how you can quickly use Remotion in Cursor to make animated videos as well as motion designs like what you see in this video. Remotion is a tool for making videos programmatically. So using Remotion, you create animated videos programmatically in React using technologies like CSS, Canvas, SVG, and WebGL. So you leverage the use of variables, functions, APIs, maths, and algorithms to create video effects. Let's follow a few steps to get started in Cursor. You should start by installing the Remotion CLI using any of these options: npm, pnpm, yarn, or ban. So I have already installed that with this command. To preview your animated videos and motion designs, you need Remotion Studio. You can launch it with this command, npm start, or use nps Remotion Studio. So once you run this command, you'll get an interface similar to this one, where you can preview the animated video or motion design. To get started in Cursor, you need to install the Remotion Scales from Scales.sh. So you come to this website and search for Remotion. There are a couple of Remotion scales. However, we are going to select this one, Remotion Best Practices. So you should install it with this command. Once you do that, it will be automatically available in Cursor, Anti-Gravity, Cloud Code, and more. To use the Remotion scales in Cursor, all you need to do is to add your prompt and put a / to pick the Remotion Best Practices scales. So this is the prompt I specified. I want to build a marketplace explainer video for people to buy, sell, and shop online. So I gave a detailed description in the prompt. You can also go ahead and add, for example, brand guidelines. So from the Files and Folders Explorer, it generated all these TypeScript files to create the animated video. To preview the animated video, we should launch Remotion Studio. As I told you previously, you can launch it with this command, or just run npx Remotion Studio. So let's go back to Cursor. We need to cd into the root directory. So we have marketplace video. Then we run the command npx Remotion Studio. That launches Remotion Studio. And on the timeline, we can use the playhead to preview the video this way. Everything you see in the video is editable. So we can go ahead and add follow-up prompts to edit anything in the video. Alternatively, we can edit programmatically. Over here, I will control-click the video layer. You have noticed we have an option to show the composition in Cursor. So if you're familiar with React, you can come here and do the edit yourself. You can also select different options here and play back the video. Once you are satisfied with the result, you can render the video. Over here, we have several options. You can select any of these options if you like, and also render it as an animated GIF. So this is how you can quickly get started with Remotion in Cursor to create animated videos as well as motion designs like the example you see here.